Igoti inene niriateyaniria thitango iria irang'etheire watho wa Kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 na Gukindira kuringana na itua riria rirekereirio ni ndundu ya acirithania atatu ario David Majanja, Christine Melio hamwe na Lawrence Mugambi.
That an order is granted prohibiting the respondent from collecting, charging or otherwise the charge known as the Affordable Housing Act on the basis of the Section 84, and all prayers on the consolidated petition not specifically granted are dismissed, and this being a matter of public interest litigation, each party shall bear its own costs.
Kurigana na acirithania ya kumbwo kwa watho ucio ni kwarumireire gatiba ya bururi, kuona ati muingi no akuruhanirio uria kwagiriire na makiria icunje cia ungania wa magoti ma njohi, indo cia uthaka, mawira ma ng'enda cia ukinyaniria hamwe na mithako ya ciuthi ni maratwarana na watho, kuona ati bururi wirigagirira ungania wa magoti niguo kuurugamia.
The committee, after conducting public participation, gives reasons for rejecting or adopting proposals received. We have looked at Section 2 and 21 of the Finance Act that amended Section 35 of the Income Tax Act to introduce digital monetization, and we find that this is a tax on income and it is permitted and it is not unconstitutional. The digital asset tax is a tax on income and it is not unconstitutional. The tax on winnings is a tax on income and it does not violate the 4th schedule part 2 of the Constitution, as it does not impair the functions of county government. We have also looked at Section 26 of the Finance Act that amends the 3rd schedule of the Income Tax Act by introducing new bans, and these are matters that we do not consider unconstitutional.
Ona gukire uguo igoti ni rimurikite mahitia icunje-ini imwe cia ungania wa magoti ma nyumba cia raithi, kuona ati cire mugaru na watho na makiria thirikari ndiatariirio ria mbeca icio ciriramatagwo, hamwe na mutaratara ucio ukimurikwo ta uthutukania wa muingi, kuona aria mari mawira nirio marirengagwo, na riu igoti rigitua ungania wa magoti macio ta mugaru na gatiba na makiria kuutheyaniria.
Amendment to Section 84 lacks a comprehensive legal framework in violation of Article 10, 201, 2010 of the Constitution, that levy against persons in formal employment to the exclusion of other non-formal income earners without justification is discriminatory and irrational and arbitrarily and in violation of Section Articles 27, 201, B1 of the Constitution.
No indi mwena wa thirikari ni wikirie ihoya ria kuheo ihinda makiria niguo methagathage na gucokia cira riko niguo gutetera ungania ucio wa magoti na riu acirithania aya thutha wa giikaro metikira ihoya riu na kumahe nginyagia tariki 10 Januari ya mwaka ukite.
We intend to grant a stay for a limited period and we order as follows. An order of stay be and is hereby issued, staying the effect of this judgment issued today, 28th November 2023, pending the filing of a formal application for conservatory stay and conservatory orders in the Court of Appeal, and these orders of stay shall remain in force until 10th of January 2024.
Itua riri ria kuongererwo kwa ihinda ni rihimbiirwo na njira nene ni mwena wa thirikari kuhetukira wakiri wa bunge ya bururi George Murugara, akiuga ati ni magukorwo na kanya ga gucokia cira riko na makiria mahote kuhoya motaro kuma kuri munene wa watho guku bururi-ini niguo mahote kung'ethera itua riu.
And for this I'm grateful to this court for granting us that time. Number 2, we will also be filing the substantive appeal in the Court of Appeal. And I hope and pray that once we go to the Court of Appeal, the orders we have just gotten here will be extended until the appeal is heard and determined. That is one aspect. The other aspect is for the Honorable Attorney General to consider the ruling or judgment which has just been delivered and advise the government on what is to be done.
Mwena wa thitango naguo ni wonanirie kwaga kuiganira na itua riu, magitongorio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia mawakiri guku bururi-ini Eric Thiuri hamwe na mutongoria wa gikundi kia Linda Jamii Fred Ogola, makiuga ati ni undu wa kieha kuona Akenya ni maguthie na mbere kurengwo mishara yao ona thengia wa igoti kumurika mahitia hari urihi wa nyumba cia raithi.
So the fact that the court then gave clarity on those issues is extremely gratifying. We have, however, found the reasoning by the court to grant a stay of its decision until 10th of January 2024 a little bit strange.
Riu muthenya uria uretereirwo na njira nene wa kumenya ati kana marihi ma nyumba cia raithi ni uguthie na mbere. Igoti ni riatua ati marihi macio no maguthie na mbere nginyagia tariki 10 nigetha mwena wa thirikari na mwena wa thitango ukorwo wethagathaga. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV kuma igoti-ini ria Milimani guku ari mucii munene wa Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Wanjohi.